is Macy. Macy is a 1-year-old poodle that is joining us for our 1-week board and train program. Her owner says that it is very difficult to go on walks with her, that Macy is a strong girl, and that she loves to pull really hard on that leash. So she basically is just dragging them all over the place. She does have a few commands. She does know come and sit. She just isn't really reliable and will kind of just do what she wants to sometimes. Sometimes she'll come, sometimes she won't. So she'll just ignore them. Hey, Macy. So we're going to see what she knows today on day 1. All right, Macy, come. Sit. Good. Place. Place. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good job. Good girl. All right, so you can see that Macy does know a few things, and then there's some things that she needs to learn. Good girl. So we're going to work on that over the next week, and I can't wait to show you everything she's learned.